Hello everyone. We started cooking this on live video and I had to go and come back to finish it off. Add in like a little bit of frozen veggies, pretty much, and some carrots, some peppers, and toss all of this. So in that live video, I was saying don't cook your jollof rice with too much water for best result. If you see this rice, you realize it's well done, but the grains are intact. Okay, that's the beauty. I'm going to let the residual heat soften those vegetables, and our lunch will be good to go. Give it a few minutes. If you want to know how I made this rice, it's in my live video. That's where we started from. and I needed to go and come back because it would be too long. So look in my live video, you will see it right from the beginning how this video was made. This is for the little one. Oopsie. You want to go to my live video to watch how this was done. It's delicious. Trust me. These are for children. So this is for our afternoon's relaxation. I got salad in the fridge. I'm just going to add some salad and then people should be happy. Many thanks for watching. If you want to know how I came about this, go to my live video. It's right there. That's where we started from. Thanks for joining me. Let me go grab the salad and then we enjoy our Sunday lunch ahead of the inauguration. Yeah. And this one is to President Trump. Welcome back, Mr. President. Bye for now.